Replication. The copying mechanism of DNA is known as replication. While proposing the double helical structure for DNA, Watson and Crick had immediately proposed a scheme for replication of DNA to quote their original statement that is as follows. According to Watson and Crick, it has not escaped from our notice that the specific pairing we have postulated immediately suggests a possible copying mechanism for the genetic material. According to Watson and Crick, it has not escaped from our notice that this specific pairing we have postulated immediately suggest a possible copying mechanism for the genetic material. Copying mechanism for the genetic material. Next, the scheme suggests that the two strands would separate and acts as template for the synthesis of new complementary strands. After the completion of replication, each DNA molecule would have one parental and one newly synthesized strand, and this scheme was termed as semi-conservative DNA replication. So this statement actually given by Watson and Crick in the year 1953. Next, semi-conservative DNA replication. Semi-conservative method of DNA replication. Actually, the semi-conservative method of DNA replication mainly given by the Crick. According to semi-conservative method of DNA replication, if you take, this is the double-stranded DNA, this is 5 prime and this is 3 prime region. Similarly, another strand, this is 3 prime and 5 prime. So what happens in the sense, each strand will produce one new strand. This white dotted is nothing but a daughter strand, so that there is a complementarity will be takes place between one parental strand and one new strand, that is nothing but daughter strand. So after like a replication, replication, 50% old DNA and 50% new DNA is present. 50% old DNA and 50% new DNA. Then two double-stranded DNA molecules are formed. So this is what we can say semi-conservative mode of replication. This is new or daughter strand. Similarly, here also a new strand. Next, this is old or parental strand. Old or parental strand. Even here also, this is also known as old or parental strand. Yeah, from this strand, both or acts as a, so like the DNA strand which is indicated as green and yellow, both are acting as a parental strands, and each parental strand produces one daughter strand that is indicated in the white color. So that is a daughter strand. So that means 50% is a old DNA and 50% is a new DNA. So that what we can call it as, it is nothing but the semi-conservative method of replication, or semi-conservative DNA replication will be takes place. So the new strand or daughter strand will complementary to the one parental or old strand. Parental or old strand. So according to Erwin-Chargaff rule, so one purine always waits with the pyrimidine. Similarly, even in the second strand also, this is one double-stranded DNA and this is first double-stranded DNA, and this one is second double-stranded DNA. So both are will be exhibits complementarity of the strands according to Chargaff rule. According to Chargaff rule, one purine always pairs with the pyrimidine. So this is what we can call it as semi-conservative method of replication. And there are different other methods are also will be available, like a dispersive model and also conservative model, but finally proved like the DNA replication is semi-conservative only. There are further experimental evidences also is there.